All right, everybody, we're going down to my buddy's shop right now to start part 2 of the install. Front struts, bushings, stuff like that, suspension. But we're gonna head down there and see how far we get today. Alright everybody, windows up. I'm going to do a little second or third gear pull from 60. Ready? Holy shit. If any of you guys ever need anything done on your cars, Automotive Ingenuity, right here in Lakeville, Minnesota, right off 35. I recommend them to everyone I know. They do great work. Got out here, the jet on the lift. We're taking the wheels off. We're going to start disassembling everything so we can start with probably the control arm bushings and then the tie rods and ball joints. So I'm going to do one side at a time. I'll check in with you guys when I get it all torn apart. Alright, we got it all torn apart. Suspension's out, control arms out. There's the ball joint. That's what it looks like. Right now I'm gonna head over to the press and we're gonna take the hub off and then press out the wheel bearing. There you go. I'm gonna get flipped around and press the wheel bearing out from the other side. All right, now we got the wheel bearing coming out. Let's see if I can. I think it's gonna drop. Got the new bearing going in. Pressed in by the old one. That's a good spacer. There it is. Alright everybody, making more progress. Got the new, or the lower control arm in, with the new poly bushing, got the new tie rod, new ball joint, new hub, wheel bearing. I'm gonna put the dust shield back on and then get the front coilover back in. Now we'll check in with you again. So we're back, not much progress. Pretty much the same where we started, but somehow always stuff like this happens. The threads on the axle got messed up or something while I was installing. You dropped it or something must have, but I can't get the nut on there, so I have to get another axle. So we're waiting on that right now, and then we're gonna, once we get that, we're gonna put it in and sign it all back together. Just this side for tonight though, probably. It's been taking a lot longer than I thought. Look at my mess I got. Got the one side back together. Got the new axle in. Everything's hooked up, looking good. Probably gonna try and do this side tomorrow, but I'm gonna go home and get this edited up and try and get it up tonight. So if this is your first time stopping in or you like what you see, make sure you subscribe. Lots of fun videos coming this summer once we get all the building done. All right, we'll see you guys later.